In this lesson, we're going to look at how we can define a business rule in Sage CRM within the lists using a field level create script that will be executed on the server and controls the properties of that column or field displayed within the list. Here you can see that I'm logged on into Sage CRM as the user Susan May. This is the demo system for Panoply Technologies, and I happen to be looking at a list of opportunities called from the My CRM menu. You can see that the list also contains a column displaying the name of the company to which the opportunity belongs. And if we look at the team menu context, we can see that the same list is used to display the opportunities associated with the user's team. And like the My CRM context, the list contains the name of the company. But let's switch to look at the company context and look at the opportunity list. And here you can see that the same list is being used, even displaying the name of the company, but we don't need this to display because we know that the information is the company name because we are in the context of the company. So I'm going to switch to the admin screens, and a system administrator can fine-tune the display of the lists by adding a business rule in the form of a script. To do that, we need to go to the customization area for opportunities and then look at the lists. And it's the opportunity list that needs to be changed. The naming convention means that we can be sure that the lists ending in the word list are called from tab menus. And within the list that we're going to change, we can then change the property of the field company name. And there are different properties that can be set. Most properties are controlled by drop-down values or selections, and we can then also change these properties using script. So we can write a small piece of JavaScript that can be executed on the server. The developer guide in the community, on the community, and within the Help Center provides the API guide and examples of advanced screen customization. Here the code is looking at whether the company is in context and checking to see if there is a value assigned in current context to the company ID. If we are, that means that we're in the context of the company. So that means we're in the context of a company or we're in the context of a person. That will produce the contextual information for the company ID. So if we are in the context of the company, then the visible property will be set to false, and that means the column will be hidden. So we can now see how the code can be dropped into the screen. And once we have saved the changes, we can see how the code hides the company name when we were in the context of the company,